Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset. Let me show you how to perform the factory reset operation on this car. So if you would like to accomplish the reset on your infotainment system, all you need to do is use the home screen, then find and select here the apps icon. From the list of apps, you need to scroll down to see the settings. Then scroll down again and select here the system. From system, choose here the reset options. And now let's select restore factory settings, the last of the following list. So you will restore all settings to their default configuration. This will erase all data on your vehicle, including Renault and Google accounts, downloaded applications, data related to these accounts and applications. If you would like to cancel your subscription, go to My Renault to manage your contracts. So you have to be aware of this information, and if you would like to still accomplish it, let's tap reset, this green button right here. And this is the confirmation. Let's tap reset one more time. As you can see, the Renault system is resetting. Alright, and now you can start to quick setup your car. First option, of course, is to choose the language. So let me select the language. In my case, it will be English from United States. Alright, tap begin. Accept terms and conditions. In my case, let me also send the information to Renault. So let me tap accept all and choose here accept button. Let me skip signing to Renault account, tap next. Let me skip it here. Alright, here you can sign into Google, or you can skip it, or you can also do it later. Tap more and accept the Google services. Choose next. Next to data information. Here you can also set up the profile lock, assistant app, and you can tap done for now to just quick setup. And that's it. As you can see, just accomplish the hard reset operation, and you just activate the device. So now you can use your Renault in a normal mode with the factory settings. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.